Borealis here. Welcome to the collaboration and thank you for joining. I want to say all these pieces are for sale and I take orders via email, not the comments. So if you see something you like, I'll quote prices. Just give me an email and it's going to be $6 for shipping. So let's get started. Hi, Borealis here. Welcome in. Hi, everyone. I'm doing the last of the Independence Day kind of Secret Santa unboxings. And if you've been following along, you should know exactly whose box I received because it's the only one left. I did want to say if you missed any of the collaborations, you can always go back to their channels and check them out. So we have Kristen D, Another Chance Resale, Girlio, My Momma Me, Shady NY, Black Dog Vintage, and me, Borealis. So let's get to the unboxing. I noticed she has a little note here, so I'm excited to see what all is in here. I don't think my camera setup goes high enough to get the whole box in. Ooh, it says, this side says something, but let me open the other side. Oh, that's amazing. Let me get it on camera. Wow, she did a spectacular job. So it says, from the mountains to the prairies to the ocean, my home sweet home. Oh, this is spectacular. What a great box already. I'm so excited. And she put them all in little bitty boxes and all the decorations. Thank you so much. And I do want to say this is from Julie with My Momma Me. Thank you, Julie. Okay, let's get started. So Julie, you know, I watched the Easter collaborations and she gave such a great box. And I was thrilled to see that she had my name. So I can't even imagine what she sent me. And I love that all of these are in little bitty boxes. Let me get my jeweler's loupe because I know I'm not going to be able to read any of these marks. Okay, here's number one. Oh my gosh, look at these beautiful red rhinestone crystal. Oh my gosh, these are stunners. These are stunners. Wow. Wow, Julie. They do have a mark on the back. These are, oh my gosh, these are crown trefaries. Whoa. Wow. Do you guys see these? These are amazing. Look at all those beautiful rhinestones. I can't even imagine where she scored these. These are fantastic. Really clean, good condition as well. Wow. For the first one, the first box is just amazing. I am taken aback. I have never seen crown trefari earrings this beautiful before in person. So these are like a $200+ pair of earrings, but I'm committed to giving my viewers who I love good prices. So I'm going to do these for $99 plus shipping. Check out the video description on how to purchase any of these pieces. Okay, let's see what we have next. Here's number two. Well, she really took her time with this. Oh, it's a ring. Whoa. I should have got my gem tester. I should go get it out of the garage. Marcasite. Let me take a peek. This ring is stamped 925 and it has marcasites. And I'm going to give you guys a size on this. It's a size 7. I'm going to get my gem tester because I want to test this real quick just to see if it registers anything. So I think my tester's warm. Let's check out this ring. It does move into the garnet range. It definitely moves into the garnet range. So I would say that this is that these are garnets. Let me test the side ones. I just tested the big one. I hope I'm getting that on camera. Yeah, there's definitely movement into the garnet. So we're going to say that these are garnets and marcasites. And what a beautiful ring that is kind of Art Nouveau-ish. I'm going to do $22 on this ring plus shipping. She put so much care into this box. What do we have? We have a bracelet. What a variety of things she sent me. And look at that. One of the things about the giveaway was everything really needed to be kind of 4th of July inspired. So red, white, blue, you know, some festive. And this totally feels festive to me. Celebratory. Let's see what that brand is. It looks like it has a copper inside. Oh my gosh, this is a Matisse Renoir. Whoa, I love Matisse Renoir. It was Renoir of California, and which were copper pieces, and the Matisse Renoir collection were enameled on top of the copper. I have never seen a bangle bracelet, a Matisse Renoir bangle bracelet. I've seen necklaces and earrings, but never a bracelet. This is a real stunner. It's so gorgeous and clean, and it has such a modern feel. Gosh, this is amazing. Julie, you're amazing. Let's get a size on that one. Okay, I made this. I don't know how accurate it is, but the bottom rung hits at like 8.5. I'm gonna do $24 plus shipping on this amazing bracelet. Here's our next one. What do we have next? Ooh, this looks like it's sterling, and this looks like it is lapis. Let's see. A big old lapis cabochon. Let me check out the markings. Yes, that's stamp 925. There's actually a maker's mark there that I can't quite read. It's very tiny. If any of you are familiar with that brand, put it in the comments. The necklace is stamped sterling. We're going to just test this on the Presidium. I don't know if it tests lapis, but we'll just see if it moves. And it does. We're moving into natural stones, so that's definitely a lapis or a sodalite. I'm going to say that's lapis. Look at all the little flower etchings on the side of it. Really gorgeous. Let's see. Let me measure this out real quick. So that measures, it looks like 11 inches with the pendant. Without the pendant, we're looking at 9.5. I'm going to do $20 for this sterling necklace and lapis pendant plus shipping. All right, that was amazing. Ooh, look at that. Look at those little leaves. I love that. Even the wrapping is beautiful. Let's see what this is. These are some earrings. And, oh, it's a set. Oh, it's a ring and earrings. How gorgeous. Look at the detail work on that ring. Let's see if it's got a mark in it. Oh, this is a Sarah Coventry. I've never seen this. I've never seen this Sarah Coventry piece or collection with matched earrings. She gets the best stuff. I watch her channel and she just has the most amazing pieces. I am so curious where she sources from. Looking into this is the Sarah Coventry Love Story set. It is a Peru set, so it also included a necklace, and I have the Demi Peru, and it came in birthstone colors. So this is September. That ring measures a 6.25, but it is adjustable. It's a lovely set, and I'm going to do $18 for the whole Demi Prue set. Next, we have, here is a Bakelite bracelet. Oh, there are 3 bracelets. Wow. Bakelite, or some people call it Bakelite, was first produced in 1909, and it reached its height of popularity in the 1930s. These are great bangles. So these are 3 complimentary Bakelite bangle bracelets. I'm going to do a measurement on them. I should probably do one. Here we go. We're looking at like 8 1/4 on the Bakelite bangles. So if you love Bakelite, they're very pretty. I love how they're not exactly the same colors, but they all really complement each other nicely. And I'm going to do $22 for all 3 of these. Okay, what else do we have? It's like Christmas today for me. Ooh, wow. I see some crystals on here. This is a gorgeous necklace. And a pendant that is stamped 925. Let me just make sure. Yes, a 925 pendant on this really delicate necklace. I don't see any markings on the necklace, and that's totally fine. It is gorgeous. It looks like it has these kind of peacock pearls, freshwater peacock pearls, alternating with these crystals, little AB crystals of all different colors. It is so pretty. And I'm going to test this and see if we have a gemstone. It is moving. That might be a garnet, is what I would say. Yeah, I think it's moving into the garnet range. So we have another beautiful garnet. Let me get a measurement for you guys. It's so delicate. Like, you just don't see necklaces like this often. Somebody really took their time in making this necklace. Okay. So the whole thing measures, what do we have? Like 11 3/4, and then just the necklace is like 10 1/4. And it is so lovely and wonderful. It reminds me of, like, you know, like fairies, or like the Renaissance Festival, like that kind of dream. It has a dreaminess to it. I'm going to do $20 on this sterling garnet freshwater peacock pearl and crystal necklace. All right, we're getting to the bigger ones here. Ooh, wow. How 4th of July is that? This is so amazing and unique. Oh, I am so in love with this. And look at these fun festive earrings. The earrings are definitely 4th of July themed. That they might even be sterling. Let me check. No, I don't think they're sterling, but it doesn't matter. This is a fabulous, fabulous. These are just fabulous. So let me give you a measurement on the earrings. I think these are, what does that say? Like 1 1/4 inch around. You know, and they look older to me. They look very vintage. I mean, we could easily say that these are modern because of how they were made, but I really think when you look at the backs and everything, they seem like they're more vintage. And I can't wait to get to this fish necklace. I might wear this for the 4th of July. I might. I've never seen anything like this. Lucite fish on an amazing chain. Let's see if the chain says anything. Not that it matters because it's amazing regardless if it's branded or not. No, but I am so in love with unique pieces of jewelry, and this really takes the cake. It really does. How appropriate for the 4th of July. I'm going to do $18 for this fish necklace. It's so fabulous. And I'm going to do $4 for the earrings. Okay, we have 2 more boxes left. Let's see about this one. Oh, this one's heavier. Oh, this is natural stone. That's why that's heavier. Oh, yeah. What a gorgeous necklace. Oh, yeah. This has some weight to it. Really pretty and cold to the touch. Let me just check out the clasp. No marks on the clasp, but you can see you have kind of graduated sizes. Up at the top, they're smaller than at the bottom, and they have these little rondelles that separate to give it a little bit of extra sparkle. So this is absolutely very 4th of July. And you can pair it with other pieces like your blues and your reds for your red, white, and blue theme. We're just going to get a measurement on this one. That is 11 inches. I'm going to do $6 on this natural stone necklace. All right, here's my last one. Oh my, these look like garnets. They're definitely garnets. Cold to the touch. So we have clusters of garnet beads alternating with these little kind of diamond shaped garnets. We're going to test this real quick on the Presidium. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure, these are garnets. I'm going to give you a measurement on this one. For anybody that's got a garnet birthday or just loves your garnets, we have a lot of garnets today. That looks like it's 13.5. Really gorgeous and very festive with all the little clusters. I'm going to do $24 on this garnet necklace. Sending a big shout out to Julie. Thank you so much for such an amazing box. You're a great gift giver. Thank you to all the ladies who participated. Another Chance Resale, Girlio, My Momma and Me, Shady NY, Black Dog Vintage. It's been a great collaboration. And for all the viewers, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun, and we'll see you on the next holiday.